In the vast world of e-commerce, two platforms have emerged as key players: Shopify and Pietra. Shopify, known for its user-friendly nature, offers customizable templates that allow businesses of all sizes to create their dream storefront online. It's a platform that grows with you, scaling to meet the demands of your expanding business. On the other hand, we have Pietra. This platform takes a unique approach, focusing on the creation and selling of custom products. Thanks to its collaboration features, you can work with other creators to build products that truly stand out. Shopify and Pietra, though different, both play pivotal roles in the e-commerce industry. Now that we've introduced these two platforms, let's delve into some numbers. Shopify has certainly made its mark in the e-commerce industry, but what does that look like in numbers? Let's dive into it. Shopify boasts of more than 1 million active users worldwide. This is not a small feat considering the numerous e-commerce platforms available today. It's also interesting to note that Shopify's sales volume is in the billions. Yes, you heard it right, billions. This is a testament to the platform's efficiency and the trust customers place in it. When it comes to its share in the global e-commerce market, Shopify holds an impressive percentage, making it a major player in the industry. Over recent years, Shopify's growth has been nothing short of phenomenal, expanding at an exponential rate. This growth is a clear indication of the platform's robustness, adaptability, and innovative nature. These numbers demonstrate Shopify's powerful presence in the e-commerce world. But how does Pietra compare? Now, let's put Shopify and Pietra side by side and examine their strengths and weaknesses. When it comes to ease of use, Shopify takes the cake. This platform has a user-friendly interface that's perfect for beginners, while Pietra, though not overly complex, does require a bit more tech savviness. In terms of customization, both platforms shine, but in different ways. Shopify offers a plethora of themes and apps which you can use to tailor your store to your liking. Pietra, on the other hand, provides a more curated approach, allowing you to customize your products, not just your store. Now let's talk scalability. Shopify, with its various pricing plans and ability to handle high-volume traffic, is a great choice for businesses of all sizes. Pietra, however, is better suited for smaller operations or those looking for a more boutique feel. Each platform also has unique selling points. Shopify is known for its robust ecosystem and wide range of integrations, while Pietra's strength lies in its unique approach to product sourcing and creation. Regarding pricing, Shopify offers a range of plans to suit various budgets, but it's worth noting that the cost can add up with the addition of paid apps. Pietra, on the other hand, operates on a commission-based model, which may be more appealing to businesses with lower upfront budgets. In essence, Shopify serves well for a wide variety of businesses, while Pietra might be the go-to for creators and small businesses seeking a more curated experience. As we can see, both Shopify and Pietra offer unique benefits depending on your business needs. E-commerce is an ever-evolving industry, and choosing the right platform can make or break your online business. To recap, we've delved into the world of Shopify and Pietra, two giants in the e-commerce landscape. We've explored Shopify's impressive statistics, highlighting its robust features and vast user base. Then we compared it with Pietra, a platform that's making waves with its unique business model. It's clear that both platforms have their strengths and can cater to different business needs. So when it comes to making a choice, it's essential to consider your individual business requirements. Whether you choose Shopify, Pietra, or another platform, the most important thing is to choose a platform that fits your business. Happy selling!